Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by signing into your Epic Games account on a desktop browser. This step is required because the console UI doesn't expose the unlinked control. Make sure two-factor authentication is ready in case Epic prompts you, and gather the Xbox account credentials you want to switch to. Once logged in, navigate to Account, then Connections, then Accounts. This is where Epic shows the linked Xbox Live profile. Do this now so you can safely remove the existing link and prepare to add the new Xbox account. Next, you disconnect the current Xbox Live account from Epic. Click Disconnect next to the Xbox Live listing and follow the confirmation prompts. Epic warns about access to content tied to that link, so read the notices and confirm you understand. After unlinking, sign out of that Xbox account on your console and on any browser sessions, because leaving it signed in can trigger automatic relinking when you attempt the new connection. Make sure the old profile is fully signed out before proceeding to link the new account. Finally, sign into the Xbox account you want to attach, then return to Epic Account Connections and choose Connect under Xbox Live. Follow the Microsoft sign-in flow and grant permissions. Once done, Epic will associate that Xbox profile. If the link fails, clear your browser cache, use a private window, or fully sign out of all Microsoft sessions and try again. These steps resolve most token or session conflicts. If the account refuses to unlink because it was used on another Epic account, contact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.